Hey guys, sorry it's been a long time since I've been on. I apologize. Had some family things going on. So today I'm going to do a floral arrangement using one of these tin cans from Dollar Tree. And we are going to be using the foam block from Dollar Tree. And then also we are going to be using some of the, looks like these are called, I think they're called pansies. So I have 4 of the pansies from Dollar Tree. I got some pansies. I also have some irises. I think these are called irises. Let me see what the name is. I know they call it lilacs. So I've got 4 of these. I think all of them I have 4. I have 4 lilacs. Then I have some petunias. Well, they don't look like my petunias, but some petunias, and I have 4 of those as well. So I've got the yellows, and I've got the purples, and we're going to make a just a spring floral arrangement in this container. What I've done is I've set my reusable dry. You can actually, this is one that you can wet and use as a, I think it's wet one. No, this is dry one. This is not one that I was going to say you could wet it, but you better not wet it. Don't wet it. But I don't ever take the plastic off, because when you take the plastic off, you'll end up with like just gritty stuff everywhere. It sheds like crazy. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going to go off camera for a minute and just trim all of my stems off, take my price tags off, and get those ready. And then what we're going to start doing is just assembling these. And I'm going to try to get y'all into a position to where you can see what I'm doing. I'm hoping that I can do this. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to get the camera so that you're angled at a different angle and you can see the flowers as I'm putting them in, instead of going straight above and y'all are seeing. Now I could turn my container like this. I could do that, but that's kind of weird. That's hard for me to gauge what I'm doing too. So anyways, so I'm gonna figure that out, figure out the angle of the camera, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I apologize for the angle, but we're gonna try to do this at this angle and see how it goes. So first of all, we're gonna start with the irises, because I want to get those started. So basically, I'm just randomly going to be placing these, not in no particular order. I'm just going to be placing them around, and I may reposition them even after I have them in and I have all the other ones in too. So I'm just going to be, right now, I'm just basically placing them the best I can and just placing them all over. And I may have some that are going to stick out on the side, because I do like for them to look very natural. And they're, because you know, everything in nature is not perfect. It doesn't grow perfectly. It sticks out in different ways. And so why not have the same type effect on artificial flowers, because that really it gives them definition as well. So again, you know, I always like to do what I was taught in when I worked at Crafts Etc. is I always like to do the back as well. So I'm going to put a few that are kind of sticking out at the back, because you never know where the arrangement is, how people are going to see it. If you have it on a table, on a coffee table, or where you might have it, and you want to make sure that at all angles that they are seeing the flowers that are being put into the arrangement. And so I'm placing them, and that is what we're doing right now. So I only have 3 more of these, so I'm just going to try to fill in the fills and gaps that I see, to try to get the gaps filled in. And All right, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to do my petunias, because they are, most of them are singles, some of them have doubles. So I'm just going to stick them in as well, just randomly stick them in, just kind of going in and filling as I go. Petunias pretty much grow crazy. Not that they're a crazy plant, but they're just a very unique plant, and the fact that they're not uniformly grown. They just kind of randomly grow all over the place, and they're so beautiful. It's one of my favorite flowers to grow is petunias, because of their diversity, and also I really like them. And one of the type of petunias that I really like, which I haven't grown in a while, is the petunia waves. I used to have petunia wave baskets that I would hang on my porches, and I just, oh, they're so beautiful. And I haven't had that in years. Since I've been here in this home that I'm in, I haven't really had a porch to hang baskets on. So I've kind of not been able to have the kind of hanging baskets that I usually have, flowers. But speaking of gardens, I know the last video that I put out was about having seed starters in the bottles, and then I showed you my garden. And I have harvested my first cucumber, which I'm excited because it looks like my cucumbers are going to actually make this year. I'm going to actually have cucumbers this year, so I'm very excited about that, because I did not have cucumbers last year. And then my tomatoes, oh my goodness, I bought some Roman tomatoes from Sutherland's, and I've never grown Roman tomatoes before, and oh my goodness, they are just producing, crazily producing. So I'm going to have a bunch of Roman tomatoes once they start getting ripe. I've got a bunch of them on the deal, but I kind of went crazy this year. I've tried something new. I actually am growing radishes for the first time. And I grew some radish. The thing about radishes is they grow really fast. And you know, I could probably get away with, I don't know what y'all are seeing, but I could probably get away with, let's see if I can turn y'all up just a little bit. See if I can see the beauty of it. Maybe go back a little bit. I want y'all to see. Sorry for the movement, but I want y'all to see the beauty of what I'm creating. It looks like it would probably be enough to just do the pansies and the irises. I mean, not the pansies, but the, you know what, I think, y'all are gonna think I'm crazy, but you know what, it looks really full with what I'm putting in it already, that I don't really feel like the pansies are needed. So I may save the pansies for another arrangement, or I might use them on something else. But this, I'm telling you, it is looking snazzy-daisies. Looking pretty nice. I like it. I like the way that it's turning out. Very nice. Very, very nice. I like that. I like the yellow and the purple. I don't know. I just kind of like it just the way it is. I don't know if I thought I might need more flowers in there. But if I put the pansies in, that just really will fill it up. I'm going to have to say that I'm going to stick with the container and the petunias and the irises. I think that's plenty. I think it is really, it's full, and you can't really see the styrofoam, and the petunias really filled it out. So I'm gonna say that this is a done deal. So it was $1.25 for the canister, $1.25 for the foam, And then I did 4 of each of the purple and the petunias. So $5 for each one of the flowers. So 5, 10, and then $2.50, about $12.50. So you're looking at maybe a $13 arrangement there in front of you. Not bad. Not bad at all. I wonder if I pull this. I don't really want to flip back too much, but I think y'all are getting like a really close-up view. Let me see if I can do this so y'all can see it from this angle. There you go. See what I am seeing. That is pretty. I like that. I really do. Pull it up a little bit here so you can see it. That is nice. It turned out really good. And see how it is really full, so I really don't see the need for the, it's kind of hard with the lighting. But I really don't see the need for the tulips or the pansies. I don't think the pansies are needed. I really don't. Now I may try to fix this little hole in here, like move some of the petunias around and some of the irises around. But other than that, I really like the way it turned out, the purple and the yellow. So I'm gonna leave out the pansies and keep those for another one. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment in the comments. What do you think about this arrangement? Very simple, very easy. Less than $13 for the whole thing. Flowers, I did not use any hot glue. I just stuck the foam in. It's quick, easy. Really springy type of arrangement, good for a Mother's Day gift, or even just a spring coffee table. Yep, there's my y'all are seeing my little thingy that I put my phone on anyways. So just let me know what you think, and I'll get you a picture from my my other area. We'll go see what it looks like in that area. Thank you. Bye. So here it is, the finished product. So be sure to let me know what you think in the comments. I think it turned out really cute. You could either do the petunias or you could do the pansies even with the irises, and that would look really cute. I know at my Dollar Tree, they have some cococombs as well, and you could, in a purple, real deep purple like the irises here, and that would be pretty. You could use those instead of the irises, and then use some of the petunias, or either use the pansies. So just a nice little spring arrangement that can be used for a variety of different reasons. And so if you like it, please give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And I will I will get out more videos. I've just had some things that have come up that have delayed me in getting some videos out, and I apologize. So y'all have a great week, and we'll see you later. Bye.